Naiintindihan ko kayo kamahal. Bawat takbo ko para po sa inyo, hindi para sa akin. Anong ginawa niyo? Binas niyo na ako ng binas. Sumaba sobrang loob ko. May isang basher nagsabi sa akin, Doc Willie, even if you run 10 times again and again, you will lose again and again and again. What did I do to you? Why do you hate me so much? I saw my mom. My mom died. Nandun siya. Tinukuha na niya ako eh.
Readmitted ako. I was vomiting. Delirious. High fever. They checked my WBC. Sabi niya, paano ka nabuhay? Your WBC is 0. My BP was low, 85/60. Dehydrated, sepsis, vasodilation of the artery from possibly E. coli. Ow! Sakit niya. Sakit niya. Sakit ng bukol.
Of my esophagus. See, it is hard to swallow. Ayaw pumasok. Bukod sa, hindi ko tinatawag na salbahe ang cancer. Binilak niya yung esophagus ko. Tapos ang ginawa ng sarcoma, inipit niya yung aking right atrium. It also blocked my right atrium, almost compressing my heart. Look at my veins. And worst of all, you know what happened? This sarcoma is almost closing my inferior vena cava. My feet, grade 3 edema, swollen feet yesterday. Today, grade 1 edema only. See, grade 1 edema. Grade 1, grade 2. Up to here.